Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. My name is Mark. Today is for the furniture flippers. Now I've been repairing high-end furniture for years. I stopped by my local restore shop here in Charlotte. I bought a chair for $8. Look at that, $8. I knew exactly what it was when I first saw it. So before you start painting furniture, it can be worth a lot of money. Let me show you what I bought. All right guys, here it is. It's a Henkel Harris side chair from a dining room suite. Absolutely beautiful chair. Solid mahogany. It's the Mount Vernon collection, 109. I happen to know the Henkel Harris rep. I sent him pictures of this. He couldn't believe it. He told me the value is $850 just for one chair. This was made in 1978. It's a pretty good year. So was I. So, know what you have before you paint it. So check out my YouTube channel. I've got plenty of videos on how to do repairs, high-end finishes, and faux finishes. Like it and subscribe. Thanks guys.